Okay. All right. We're back. We're back, and we're back. Okay. All kinds of activity here. Lots of fun. Daddy's taking the T-bird away. What is going on? We are down 116 points on the Dow right now. We're jumping up and down 20 points every minute or so. Right now we're down 99. We're down 116. We're down 120. We're down 79. We're down. I can't tell you second to second where it's at, except just I'm showing right now down 112. At least that's my next latest thing. And my hair is up here. It must be on alert. Uh, Rocket Lab is up 7 cents. It was a lot higher earlier. It got up to 905. Now it's 856. SoFi down 3 cents. It got up to 1386 after the interest rate thing was announced. It's just been on a free fall. This is all temporary, by the way. I'm not nervous about the long term here. Just we're trading and reacting to this market news about the Federal Reserve here. The Gamestop shares 104.42. They were as high as 118.99 earlier today. Just after I got off the air, they took a shot right after I closed off my show. Then they backed off to 114, got back up to 117, and then now down to 104.10, up 431. If any of you out there were able to write calls on this huge run up to 119, congratulations. Hopefully you've made some scores already. You're picking up some nice deals here. Can the shares go lower? Yes, they can. They're 103.86 now. GameStop will probably follow this market quite a bit. The Dow is now falling again. We're down 182 points on the Dow. The S&P is now negative, down 9.7, and NASDAQ is only up 3/4 of a point. All three markets are about to go red quickly. Down 200 on the Dow right now. GameStop 104, 103.90 as we speak. Rocket Lab is up a penny. SoFi down 17. Matterport now down 90 cents to 9.49. ME up 8. Spire up a nickel. ATIP is down 3. SmartRent up 39. Cyxtera up 33. Elsewhere, AMC down 7. Robinhood down 43. Vanik only up $2. Home Depot down $1.40. IBM off $2.40. Microsoft only up $6. It was up substantially to 302. It's now at 295. Apple down $1. Goldman down $1. It was up nicely to 350. It's now 340. So this talk coming out of the chairman is not helping. We're now negative 234 on the Dow, and we are dropping quickly. Again, if you've got calls written that you wrote today and you're getting close to or in and around a nice little profit, you may want to take advantage of it. I don't know how long this drop will be for. There may be a rebound rally here as things settle down. He'll talk for a while yet. We'll see. 102.97 on GameStop, I think, is where we're at right now in this 103 neighborhood, 102.5 neighborhood. Still dropping. And like I say, keep your eye on your contracts, put in your stink bids, see if you get hit. You never know. If anyone's written Goldman Sachs calls today, you might be in a position to score those nicely. Again, why not? Hi there, Beach Boy. I wrote January 28 100s for 705. I wrote February 11s 105s for 1105. I wrote February 18 110s for 1005. Your thoughts, Grandmaster? What I don't have are live quotes in front of me right now. I don't know what these contracts are actually trading at because my machine is 15 minutes behind. But these particular contracts here, the 100s, the 105s, and the 110s, the good news, of course, is that the 5s and 10s are out of the money already. Even though the stock went up to almost 120, they're out of the money right now, except for the 100s. 102.71 is where GameStop is. The Dow is down 244 right now. And S&P down 15 and NASDAQ, S&P down 24, NASDAQ down 65. So we're getting hit. The street is worried about how the Fed is going to do their buybacks or blow off their balance sheets. And this is what happens with worry warts over at the bond market. It affects the stock market. 102.96 on GameStop. Down they go. Like I say, if any of you out there have scored some really nice home runs on your calls, beautiful. Pick them off. The shares of GameStop are still falling. We're still up 321. All kinds of stock has gone to the red. GameStop is still holding again, but it is giving up more of it as we kind of inch along here. So keep your eyes on your contracts and see how they are working for you. Over on IBM, we're down 236. Microsoft is up 576. It was as high as 308. We're now at 294. I think this is overblown myself. Apple down $1.22 at 158.50. We were as high as 164.30. So again, anyone who's written call options, and I know there's some people out there with calls that they've written, Apple is coming your direction. Goldman Sachs, $340 a share right now. High of the day, 350. Definitely see some potential here to scoop some calls back. Cisco, 55.20 down $1. High of the day, 56.45. Again, these are intraday opportunities, and we may see some snapback rallies on some of these stocks if I can get my words out. But no guarantees. You never know for 100% certain. But there's opportunities here. 102.60 now on GameStop as we continue to see the stock back off along with the indexes. The Dow's down 246. We've got GameStop at 102.76 right now, up 297 on the day. Matterport is 9.45, down 94 cents. It's ridiculous. It shouldn't be down here, but for whatever reason, people are selling it. And I think that's stupid. There's no reason for Matterport to go down. SoFi off 21 cents, 12.55, absolute bargain. I don't understand that one. This should be more at 16, 18, if not 25. Rocket Lab 8.49, unchanged now. Dow's down 2.30, Matterport down 95. ME up 8 cents to 4.48. Spire up 4 to 2.25. ATIP down a nickel, 3.13. Smart Rent up 42 cents to 7.43, and Sixter up 27 cents to 11.46. Alrighty, GameStop 102.48 right here. The Dow off 258 points. Don't know if there's much more downside coming. There could be. I think what we have is knee-jerk reactions to every word he says. He's in front of the cameras. He brushes his eyebrow or touches his hair like me, or tries to find his hair. Like where is my hair? I can't find. It could be problems. We'll never know. 102.73 on GameStop, up 294 right now. 102.59. Now up to 80. Volume on GameStop today is up, as to be expected. We're at 7.44 million because that run really woke up a lot of people here and got people wondering. And people are selling, people are buying, people are flipping, people are turning and burning. We're doing it all. 102.01 on GameStop, falling further. Like I said, kids, look at your options markets, look at your quotes. If you wrote options today for a nice price and they're now giving you profits, 50% profits, a third, whatever, then start looking at taking money off the table. Say, thank you, sir, may I have another? Because if the shares run up again, you want to write again. Not saying this is the low, but it's just looking great. 102.30. I wrote GameStop 24110 when it was around 105 this morning. Not giving up enough ground for me yet. Time to buy this sucker back. Like I say, 102.30. The stock is giving up ground here. Keep your eye on it. It could easily break 100. I mean, we know this. We all know this. It is definitely falling off. The low today, though, was $100.31. We're at 102.18, 102.15. And we'll watch this carefully. Over on the Dow, we're now down 288. I'm going to take my lead from the Dow, down 288 here, and I'm going to watch just to see. I did see earlier a 300-point drop, where 33-point drop on S&P and 92 on NASDAQ. These two indexes have joined the Dow to drop, and that will put more pressure on stock, including GameStop and others. And GameStop is still holding a 250 gain. And I see Rocket Lab red, SoFi is red, Matterport is red, ME is up 8 cents, Spire is up 3, ATIP is down, Smart Rent is still up 39, Sixter up 23, AMC is red, Robinhood is red, Home Depot is red, IBM is red, Apple is down, Goldman is down, Cisco is down, Meta, Facebook is off, Amazon is off, Tesla is now down $1.30, Google's only up 23 bucks. It got up to 26.55. It's 25.57. This thing's lost $100 quick. So we've got red everywhere. The more Powell speaks, the more the realization is rates are going higher, and some of these players, hedge funds and others, can't handle it, and they are over leveraged on their bets, and they're getting wiped off, and they're getting told to dump stock and raise money, or dump assets and raise money. Whatever they hold, they're leveraged out there, and the market looked great early today. Earlier, we were up nicely here. We were up, 300-400 points on the Dow this morning. Couldn't reach new highs, and ever since the rate decision, it's been choppy. But now it's definitely on the downside. It is going negative, and these funds are getting kicked. Now, GameStop 104.02. Not surprising to see it pop up a little bit here. It'll react up and down through several dollars. Giving you opportunities to buy back your calls, write more calls, buy back your calls, write your calls. Take advantage of the volatility. That's what we have here. 104.50 on GameStop. At the moment, we're down a penny on Rocket Lab at 8.48. We're down 16 cents on SoFi to 12.60. The low on SoFi was 12.45. There was your low so far. 1270 now on SoFi. The Dow down 210. GameStop 404.44, 404.22. Matterport 960 down 79 cents. The low of 936 on Matterport. That's what we have to do. We have to see how this market wants to react. We're down $1 on Home Depot, $2 on IBM. So we're still gaining 7 on Microsoft. We've come back a couple of bucks. Apple is off 80 cents. Goldman Sachs now down 75 cents. Cisco down 94. Facebook down 660. Amazon down $35. Tesla up 670 or 680. And Google up $29. They're trying to mount a little recovery again. Then we get a wave of selling. We get a little recovery back and forth. That is what's going on right here. What else? Yep, we have the Dow, a 600-point drop to the downside from the upper high. That's right. Let's see. Keep an eye on your contracts and your stocks. This is how you earn the big bucks. This is how you do it. You take advantage of these swings in the market if they work for you, and you say, thank you, sir, may I have another? Let's keep going. 104.64, 104.75 on GameStop. The shares could go up or down $2 in a minute at any time. You have to just allow GameStop to do what it does. The Dow down 215 right now, S&P down 23, and NASDAQ down 39. And I think that the committee is definitely in a mood to raise interest rates in March, but a question of how much and how fast and how much beyond that, we do not know. I don't think they know. They're going to keep an eye on global events, of course, and economic numbers, of course. That's what they do. But everyone in there, all these amateur sleuths are trying to figure out what they mean by all this. 104.01 on GameStop. It's coming back to the 104 range. Trying to see if it might break through that again. We'll see. The Dow now down 253, dropping a little more. Again, 267, dropping again. GameStop just broke 104 to 103.88. We're dropping on GameStop a little further. Okay. Matterport down 88 to 951. SoFi down 15 to 1261. Right there. And we've got the Dow down 214 now, just popped up 50 points. S&P down 24, and NASDAQ down 46 points. 103.80 on GameStop is what I see here. 103.70, 103.86. We're sure choppy here, as to be expected. A 245 drop on the Dow at the moment. So February will be good because he won't say anything, right? Maybe. maybe. 103.78 on a GameStop. A drop of 263 on the Dow to 34,034 right now. Yeah, what are you going to do? It's wild. It's wacky. It is what it is. 103.03 on GameStop. We're going to push through 103 when we go down to 102 again. We'll see if this has got some momentum behind it here. 103.03 on GameStop at the moment. 103.20, 103.03, 103.08. We're jumping around now at this level. So that's a couple of dollars dropping again. Yeah, Bruce, I cannot explain the range of my emotions today. Having written a $100 strike on GameStop at 103 this morning. And now we're at 102.84. And you've watched it go to 119. And here I laughed, I cried, I wanted to die. Well, welcome to adulthood. You laugh, you cry, you wonder why. 102.84 on the stock. It is just all over the place. Oh, too much fun here. Where are we at now? We're down 295 on the Dow. We're dropping again, and now we're at 239 on the Dow. So 50-point swings in the Dow. This is done by stocks moving up and down dollars. There's only 30 of them that make up the Dow, so it can be 30, 40, 50-point move in one swing, one trade. But this affects everything else. 103.69 at the moment, it looks like. 103.71 on GameStop. Matterport 966 down 963 down 76. SoFi 1262 down 15. Rocket Lab 846 down 3. Dow's down 251. On other stocks, Home Depot still down $1.68. IBM down 220. Microsoft is up, but only up 680. Apple down 118, falling again. Goldman down 132, dropping. Cisco 107, dropping. Facebook down 726, falling. Amazon down 42, going down. Tesla down up 350, but not going far. Google up 24, not much happening on that. Royal Caribbean up 89 cents to 81.06. Royal Caribbean got up to 83.93. Now it's 81.06. Amazing. The Dow right now down 308, now down 286. Just 103.71 on GameStop. 103.71 on GameStop. I'm desperately trying to keep up with my big ass iPad. I have to keep refreshing it. It can't keep up, so I have to keep hitting the refresh button. So I see me reaching all the time over here. What else is up? All you read, you say it ain't so, says SBW. You're kidding, right? Never heard about the markets being red before. It's just the oldest anomaly, oddest anomaly most of us have ever seen. Oh, man. I waited until SoFi hit 1350 to sell some covered calls, and I did sell 19 for 55 cents a share, and then it ran up, and I was so angry. Not so angry when I saw the reversal now. Now I think I'm a smart guy. Yay! There you go, Credit Savage. You're a smarty. You're Mr. Smarty Pants. What can we say? We're down 323 on the Dow now. We're at 103 even on GameStop. SoFi 1258 down 18 cents. We're now negative 323 on the Dow. Now 38 lower on S&P, and Nasdaq's down 94. So they're staying in the red on the stocks right now. 102.86 on GameStop. We're dropping under 103. We're down 300 on the Dow right at the moment. 103 on the GameStop shares right in this level here at this exact second in time. Let's see. I bought everything in the green this morning, and I sold everything in the red. Am I doing this right? DQ is asking. I got this figured out. GameStop 103, 102.94, Dow down 326 is where we're at right here, right now. Oh my gosh, too much fun. As Daddy takes the wrecked T-Bird away from us, what can I say? Unbelievable. Let's see if I can reload my machines here and see if I get everything up to date. Negative 319 on the Dow. GameStop 102.98. And we're down 35 on S&P. We're down 84 on NASDAQ. The Dow's down 0.91 of a percentage point. S&P down 0.81. NASDAQ down 0.63. So now the Dow is leading the market lower. At this point, down 362 now, another drop of 50 points. GameStop 102.50 up 271. It's coming down again as well. We will keep an eye on this, of course. And I just realized 1,300 inputs I bought 2 hours ago. Love this riverboat today, says Obi-Wan Kenobi. Now, Credit Savage, now I'm looking to buy those SoFi 1850 March calls for half of what I sold them. Bought back an LC ID covered call for 500 profit too soon, though it's not 450. Well, a win is a win, though. My wife had Coyote strategy. Who is this margin person that keeps calling me, says DQ? Oh, man. Coyote, I had a meeting with my psychiatrist today, and she said I exhibited signs of PTSD. Yes, ma'am. It was from writing GameStop covered calls. I wanted to buy a Royal Caribbean $80 put and I didn't pull the trigger. I'm a dumbass, says Credit Savage. What are you going to do? Where are we at now? Dow is down 316. GameStop 102.16 as well. It's falling. 102.60, 102.77, 102.16. You tell me the quote that's right. It's just everywhere. DQ Marge is calling. Somebody get a call from Marge, says James. Anyone getting a call from Marge? 311 is the drop on the Dow. 332 now. 103.12 on GameStop as we pop back and forth. Down 332 on the Dow. We've got S&P down 35, NASDAQ down 85. And let's see. It's funny. Raising taxes on working families is the last thing we should do during a pandemic. Senators pressed Biden to extend the child tax credit. What do you think was in the Build Back Better plan? It was going to make it permanent. But, oh no, let's do that separately and get elected again. Oh my God. Down 319 on the Dow. GameStop 102.55 dropping again, coming in for another little sell wave here as we watch these markets do their thing. And it is goofy. It is wild. It is wacky. It's fun. Never dull, huh? Let's see. If you haven't woken up in the middle of the night screaming, buy the dip, are you even a retail investor in 2022? Ask Chicago Transit. Let's see. Obama babe, I'm almost embarrassed at the amount of money I made today on covered calls, but it makes stocks tanking tolerable, and that is what we're talking about here. Yes, we're down 373 on the Dow. Another dip just came through here. Down 44 on S&P, 118 negative on NASDAQ, 102.26 on GameStop, holding a 246 gain, but now stock coming in on GameStop, more selling. 1251 on SoFi, we're down a quarter, we're down 12 on Rocket Lab, we're down 380 on the Dow, 102.22 on GameStop, 952 now on Matterport. We're up 2 cents on ME. We're unchanged on Spire. We're down 7 on ATIP. We're up 33 on SmartRent. We're up 18 on Sextera. We're down 32 on AMC. Down 61 on Robinhood. It's falling. It's at 12.44 falling. Vanik only up 12 cents. Robinhood down 370 falling. IBM down 289. Microsoft up 571. Apple down 165. Goldman down 281 at 338. Deep in the money calls is where you want to buy Goldman Sachs for sure. 391 loss on the Dow right now. We are near the low of the day on the Dow, and we have 36 minutes left in the day to go. We're showing GameStop at 102.29, holding a 250 gain. Volume on GameStop is 7.67 million. There's not millions of shares coming in trading, but it is slipping. All right. Let's see. What else? Let's go. Uncle Bruce, I don't get it. What did the Fed said today we didn't know this morning? Because as carnage, what is this? I'm with you, Tiff. I'm with you. At the end of the day, there's nothing new here. In my opinion, there's nothing new. What he didn't do is he didn't back off the policy of increasing rates. 101.77 on GameStop. I just saw it break 102. So he didn't back off, and maybe that's the problem. Some people were hoping. Anyway, Bama Babe, Coyote, I wrote 3 stocks, GameStop, IBM, and SMH. Let's see. My Robinhood put is up $80 already. Woo, says Auntie. And I've said it once and I've said it again, says Credit Savage. Powell is the red market whisperer. He always good for a 600-point tanking. I just think about it, Bruce. Just think about it, Bruce, says BW. All of those people that left your channel long ago for various reasons, I wonder how they handle the markets today. Clueless lemmings. What can I say? Some people just have their own way of wanting to do it, and hey, it's okay. 102.45 on GameStop, down 379 on the Dow. We are showing Rocket Lab down 9 cents, SoFi down 24, 102.24 on the GameStop now. Matterport 950 down 90 cents. Okay, everyone, a lot of folks talking to each other. It's all good. 102.09 on GameStop. More pressure coming in at the 102 level on GameStop. We're down 394 on the Dow. We're dropping again on the Dow, pushing for a 400-point drop. 102.09 GameStop. 102.03 on GameStop as it slowly just seems to have a little bump and then a drop and a dump and a drop and a bump and a drop and a bump. 102.03 pressure on GameStop. All right. Let's see. I want 99, please, on GameStop, says Cody. VIX has not stopped climbing since Q&A started. See you Saturday, HV, says Peter. I'm looking forward to this Saturday class with you guys. A number of you have requested to come on in. I appreciate that. Jen and I are looking forward to hosting you. Jen will be the moderator. We'll have some fun, and we'll try to get a lot covered with you there. Anyway, the Dow's dropped 900 points from the high of the day, says Scully. There you go. That's what's going on. The GameStop at 102.03 to 102.79. The Dow now is down 280. It's improved a little bit. There's computer programs coming in with buys, then with sells. There's carnage and confusion everywhere. 102.79, 102.39 on GameStop. We're jumping everywhere. I just bought 4 of my SoFi covered calls back for $5. No idea what you sold them for, but I hope you made money. What do we got now? 102.78 on GameStop, 102.69. The Dow off 240. And unbelievable. Erico, I'll see you guys later at prime time, 8 o'clock tonight, prime time with Uncle Bruce, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Join me if you're a Gold Bagel member. Come on and join me tonight. Look forward to having you. Do you expect GameStop to climb for the rest of the week, Bruce? I don't know. I don't know. 103.20 on GameStop right now. We have 125 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for that. If you're able to hit the thumbs up button for us, do help us out with that. I'd appreciate it if you could hit the thumbs up button. Give us a little more momentum. We are now at 125 thumbs ups officially, and now it's 127. Thank you all, and we will now see 134. Here they come. They're coming in. Thank you guys for helping out. Fabulous. 138 thumbs ups right here, right now. I sold them for 51 and 65 and bought them for 5. Nice. And bought SoFi puts $13 for Friday for 29 cents. Sold them for 73. Nice going. Let's go. British shilling. Uncle Bruce, just start with Uncle Bruce. I have a query for prime time, but I'm guaranteed to be asleep. Shall I fire you an email? Fire me an email. See what I can do for you. SoFi 1274, only down 2 cents. GameStop back to 102.55. The Dow down 237 right now. And GameStop 102.55 up 276. Okay. Matterport down 67 cents to 972. I think we're improving here. We were down to 936. We've come back 36 cents on Matterport. ME up a nickel. Spire up 4.5 cents. ATIP down 4. Smart Rent up 42. Sixter up 21. We're down 231. We're down 241 on the Dow right now. GameStop 102.82 at the moment. Trying to hang around this 102 level, 103 level. We have a half an hour to go on the day as we continue to grind it out here on this Wednesday, January the 26th, 2020. Dow's down 250, and we've been all over the map on this. SoFi just went green now, 1276. GameStop 102.84, still holding a 305 gain. So a few more red arrows are slowly disappearing here on some of our favorites. IBM is still down $2, Microsoft up 9, Apple down 20 cents, Goldman up 20 cents, Cisco down 94, Facebook down 460, Amazon down 19, Tesla up $23, Google up 45. We got Tesla earnings after the bell. We get Apple earnings tomorrow. We're down 184 on the Dow. We're improving now on the markets. We're at 102.97 on GameStop, trying to get back to 103. All righty, we're hanging in there. Let's see what gives here. We have a little recovery. We may have another computer sell program come in. We just do not know. The volatility numbers are rising here. Down 178 on the Dow. We're all over the place, from highs to lows and everywhere in between. 102.84 to 103.25. is what GameStop seems to be indicating. You tell me what we're doing. Dow is now down 216 again. We're falling again on the Dow. 103.22, 103.05 on GameStop. Okay, 102.99 GameStop. All right. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know what all this means. Showing games at 103.17 right here. The Dow off 202 right now. Okay, there we go. Just all kinds of stuff going on. Tons of wild and wacky activities here. We're off 180 on the Dow, and we're at 103.21 on GameStop. There you go. Okay. Cyxtera today got as high as 1188. It's now 1141. And over at Smart Rent, we saw 768. We're at 744 right now. And let me just grab this damn thing. Stop being so cute with it. ATIP got up to 327. It's now 316. Spire hit a high of 226. It's now it was a high as 241. It's now 226. That's on Spire. ME touched 490. It's now 449. Call it 450. Matterport got on the opening, it was 1109. It's now 973. So the opening was the best price for Matterport today. You never know. GameStop hit a high of 118.99. Right now, 103.06. SoFi hit a high of 1386 after the announcement by the Fed. 1386. It's now 1272. Rocket Lab got up to 905 after the Fed announcement. It was at 905. It's now 850. The Dow down again 260 points. The Dow is falling, and GameStop is under 103 to 102.89. So we're getting more red coming in here. Down 260 on the Dow. We're down 22 on S&P. We're down 18 on Nasdaq, and we got a real battle going on here for red versus green. There's a battle royale happening now on all of these stocks. Let's see. I think that's I'm going to wait for SoFi to go to 250 before I buy. Okay. Let's see here. Munamu, I'm number 153, and I'm giving you thumbs ups, buddy. Thank you. 102.52 on GameStop. The Dow down 274. Still looks like it's slipping here. 102.52 on GameStop. It's green. Rocket Lab is -2. SoFi is -13. Matterport is -77. Down. The GameStop is up 280 at 102.59. ME is up 8. Spire is up 4.5 cents. ATIP is down 1.5 cents. Smart Rent up 38. Cyxtera up 17. So that's where we're at. AMC is -7 cents. It has lost all its gains. It got up to 18.15. This is AMC, 18.15. It's now 15.92. The low of the day, 15.65, and it looks like it's heading there now. We got 25 minutes to go. 72.6 million AMC traded, and it's coming off. We're down 334 on the Dow. We're dropping again. GameStop 101.78, just snapped through 102 like nothing. 101.78 up $1.99 on GameStop. Selling is coming in. We're going to update this if we can. There we go. We're down 308. We're down 33 on S&P, down 70 on Nasdaq. Oil is still showing a 74-cent gain. GameStop 102.08, hanging around this 102 level, but it's in jeopardy. 101.80. I think it's going under 102 now. It's running into some more selling right now. Dow is off 314. At the moment, and it is dragging everyone with it. And now we have a buy program kicking in on the Dow. Just popped up about 40 points. GameStop 101.95, 101.78 seems to be in this neighborhood right now. 101.75 to 95 is where GameStop seems to be trading at right now. All right. There's Coyote, got it right there. It's going to close in the red, says Scully. I can smell a break even, says Coyote. Let's go. We're into 24 minutes left to go. 101.87 on GameStop. It just does not seem to be able to break into a higher level at the moment. The Dow does not want to break out into a higher level either. So it is not recovering from Powell's comments. 102.18 it looks like on GameStop right now. 102.18. Okay. Oh, I can see a little better through the fingerprints. How about that? Fabulous. Okay. 102.24 on GameStop. The Dow down 239, 240. Okay, Flint Creek Soap Company. This just checked in. It doesn't look so pretty. I'm back to work. I'm going back to work. SoFi down 3 at 1273. The Rocket Lab up 2 to 850. GameStop 102.54, 101.99. We're jumping about here. The Dow down 250 points. 102.08 on GameStop. Matterport down 81 to 958. ME up a nickel, Spire up a nickel, ATIP down 3, Smart Rent up 39, Sixtera up 21. On the big market, Home Depot down 368, IBM down 242, Microsoft is dropping again. It's still up 640. Apple down $1. Goldman up 8 cents. It's slipping. Cisco down $1.08. Facebook down 6. Amazon down 37, Tesla up 11. It's slipping. Google up $36 right at the moment. Royal Caribbean up $1 to 81.24. Target down 2.94. JP Morgan up 87 cents. Costco up $4, 4.80. It was as high as 4.93. It's 4.82. Costco has lost $11 this afternoon. Walmart was as high as 138.79. It's 135.50. It's down $3+ from this afternoon. What else is going off here? A lot of red across the board. American Airlines down 23 cents. Netflix down $8 to 358. It got up to 382. Now 358. $24 drop on Netflix. Not good. Let's see here. Moderna up 214. It's had a crazy day. Moderna low of 152, high of 165. Unbelievable. But Moderna is looking better than as of late. We're down 230 on the Dow Jones. GameStop 102.39. SoFi down 3 cents. Rocket Lab unchanged. Matterport down 80 at 9.59. Okay. Let's see. I had a very trying day, says British Shilling. All my pet weasel did was donate some money to a little dog for his charity drumming marathon, and now he's been accused of Stoat sponsored terrier rhythm. Auntie, you have to go into a timeout. British Shilling, you got to go in a time. That works in a British accent, but in English it sounds like you're drunk. Dr. Walter. That was terrible, just terrible. I love it. Yeah. Oh, no. 102.59 on the GameStop. The Dow's down 279. Still under pressure here. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. I thought we might be in a bull trap earlier today. Hindsight's always 20/20, I guess. Uncle Bruce, BW says, call your contacts at the MM on Wall Street. Come on, you're part of the club. Let them know that only the buy button is to be turned on. The sell button, they can throw that in the trash bin. There's no need to sell anything. Just be buyers, everybody. Oh, gosh. We're down 244 on the Dow. We're at 102.40 on GameStop, holding a 260 gain at the moment. That is where we're at here. Canadian pot company, BC Craft, files for bankruptcy protection as market shrinks. Well, with the provinces in Canada having such high taxes on dope, some folks have reverted back to their dealers, and they're paying since they're paying cash inside the store, they might as well pay cash to their dealer and get a better deal. If you overtax the item, it doesn't sell at government stores. It's just that simple. What are you going to do? GameStop 102.02 to 102.99. You tell me where we're going crazy. 163 down dip on the Dow. We're actually improving on the Dow. We might be going back to 103 on GameStop here. We'll see if this has any momentum to it. I think we're into computer programs, lots of computer programs. We're down to 19 minutes right now. Okay. Let's see. So nice to hear a genuine laugh from Bruce. Do what I can. That's all you can do sometimes. 102.92. The Dow down 191. Rocket Lab up 6 cents. SoFi unchanged. Matterport down 82. GameStop at 102.92. There you go. We're just some stocks want to go higher. I just don't know if they're going to be allowed to happen. Unbelievable. There you go. Well, the illegal market has better quality too. I know from experience. Well, there you are. Well, they have free delivery in time. Sometimes it all depends. GameStop is 103.10 from what I can see here. The Dow now down 205. A little more weakness here. We're into 18 minutes to go. 17 minutes to go in the day. And then we are done. What is it going to be at the end of the day? 102.96 now on GameStop. Will we have a last 10 minutes of selling, serious selling? Will we have serious bargain hunting? I don't know. We're down 223 on the Dow right now. Lots of swing momentum going here. Just tons of it. 102.77 on GameStop right now. Alrighty. Okay. We're down 231 on the Dow. Oh my gosh, it is something. Thank you, all of you, for 184 thumbs ups. Appreciate those. If you can keep those coming in, that helps. Thank you all so much for all of that, guys. Thank you. And lots happening here. My gosh, what a busy one for me today. Thank you, everybody. Let's see here. We have 187 thumbs ups. Thank you. And Mirko, hey, Uncle Bruce, I wrote twice today. GameStop, first cover call, 108 for this Friday. I sold it at 403, bought it back for 217 on the morning dip. After that, I wrote a 105 a bit early for 507. I just bought it back for 402. Beautiful job. Beautiful. Money is money. Beautiful job. And why are the GameStop high strike calls, the 2 to 300, still available? Do the Chicago guys not want to risk the contracts not being available for the risk? These were probably created months ago, and they're always out there. If you're looking at contracts, over the next several weeks out, several months out, there are contracts up to $600, $700 on GameStop. This is quite common. Question for you, Bruce. 6 shares above $10, but it isn't getting dumped like other former SPACs. This means speculators don't own it. So who else do you think owns it? There you go. It could be a lot of conservative funds. Could well be that this is held by a number of funds that really enjoy holding computer server type farm stocks. The infrastructure of the internet, that could be it. These are investors for 10-year holds and longer. This is a long-term hold position. And that's why there's no volatility, and kind of a welcome thing to see, isn't it? 102.99 to 103.08 on the GameStop. We're down to 15 minutes in trading. We're down 250 on the Dow. That's where we're at. 103.41 on GameStop from what I can see at this moment in time. And we got lots going on here. 103.68 on GameStop right now. 103.68 up 389 at the moment. The Dow down 248. That is where we are at right now. Folks, we're down to the 14-minute mark. And then Mark is going to hit the... Larry Titus is going to hit the bells for us and give us a break. What a day today. Unbelievable. Really something today. Really something. Okay. Yeah. No quiet moments here whatsoever on this day. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, Larry Mark Titus. That's right. 104.48 on GameStop. A little better. 469. But GameStop wants to go up tonight or tomorrow morning wants to pop up. You'll write calls again. You will grab them and go. Wants to go down. Great. You'll buy them back. The stock wants to go really high. You'll do rollovers. Not to worry. Do not fret about this stock whatsoever. We have solutions for every situation here. The Dow now down 159, a little improvement again. Towards the end of the day, down 136 now, so a little swing. 104.50 on the GameStop. We'll see if this is a computer program coming in here. T-Jack, hey, Uncle Bruce, thanks for calming me down when GameStop went to 119. I just bought it back for a $700 profit in 4 hours. Yeah, beautiful job, T-Jack. Way to go, buddy. Nice job. There you go. There you go. That is beautiful. I love that. 103.87 on GameStop at the moment. T-Jack, just getting ready. Sit in the sidelines, cross your arms. Get ready for your next opportunity when we start trading tomorrow. See what it does. Wants to go higher? You might ride again. Oh, it's fun making money in the markets. We're down 227 on the Dow. We just dropped 90 points in 3 minutes. Here we are, down 227 on the Dow as we get hit again. 103.95 on GameStop right now. S&P down 17, NASDAQ down 23. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, oh, man. British shilling, Larry Quasimodo Titus. Samuel, Larry Titus, ringer of bells, closer of markets. He's becoming legendary. You love it. 103.79 on GameStop. The Dow down only 170, now down 223. We just whack and forth here. Alberto, thank you, sir, for this donation. Again, Boeing covered calls. Thanks for all you do. Your idiot nephew here. Good night, Bagel family. Way to go, buddy. Making money. Joshua, Uncle Bruce, did you see the rubber stamping article that came out today about GameStop and AMC concerning Fidelity? I did not read the article. I was a little busy in front of this computer. Hey, Uncle Bruce, what kills a call contract's intrinsic value? I bought a May SoFi 1250 last week when it was 80.20 TI value. Now it's 1090 value. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Not sure what happened on this. I don't know what you paid for it. Where was it when you bought it? Where is it now? What's it? I'm not getting all the details here, and I'm kind of busy. Good night, Alberto from Red Solo, Uncle Bruce, or up in the morning, down in the afternoon. Can't explain it. I can't explain it. 103.12 on GameStop. The Dow now down 271. We were only down 130 5-10 minutes ago. Now we're down 271. We have 11 minutes to go. We're down 250 on the Dow, and GameStop is 103.48, still coming in a little lower. Testy Donkey says, good work, T-Jack. I need more patience when selling calls. It's a nothing burger. Abram Yemen says, DQ says the share price dropped. That's why it did that. Intrinsic value is the book value of the call, and the share price dropped. Oh, there you go. There's the fancy answer to a fancy question. Just plain English. Stock goes down, calls go down. Stock goes up, calls go up. Usually that's what happens, except when there's a lot of, not a lot of time value involved, or if the time value is shrinking away. We're down 252 on the Dow. That I can explain in plain English. We're down 252 on the Dow, and GameStop is 103.19. Looks to be backing up a little bit here. That is it. Come on, SoFi. Come on and get my stink bits, says Anti-PC. It's 12.57, down 19 cents on the SoFi. 103.34 on GameStop. These nothing burgers are making me thirsty. DQ, it was 12.80 when I bought it. Anti-PC, I'm not sure what that symbol is. I can't see. It's too tiny on my screen, so I don't know what's going on here. 102.96 on GameStop, down under 103 again. Here we go. More downside. The Dow down 235, staying down here. GameStop 103.13, 102-ish, 90. What can I say? 102.83 on GameStop. More stock coming in for sale at the bell. 9 minutes away from the bell, 102.83 on GameStop. 954 on Matterport, SoFi down to 1252, down to 1250. Auntie, what's your stink bid? 1251. What did you do? We don't know. Let's see. Arms crossed all day, says Pick Nose. There you go. A 70 intrinsic loss. I don't know. They're still talking technical. 102.66. Technically speaking, GameStop is dropping. It's going down, technically speaking. We're down 240 on the Dow, holding these lower levels here. Rocket Lab off a penny, 1251 on SoFi, down a quarter. That's where we are right now. 102.69 on GameStop. 228 drop on the Dow. And some of you might be buying your GameStop back in the last 8 minutes. You never know if it has a quick drop or not. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Otherwise, well, let's see what happens tomorrow. We might have a down opening right off the get-go. What if GameStop opens at 96 and goes to 94 tomorrow morning? I don't know. That may or may not happen. We might go to 120 tomorrow morning. That could happen. Whatever it wants to do, we'll be here. We'll be here to play with it. My stink bid is 470 for my leap. It's at 510. Oh, I see what you're doing. Right on. Let's go. Remember yesterday, I kept seeing 470 in my head. There you are. And let's go. Laugh out loud. Wow. Too much fun. We're at 102.25 on GameStop. 102.25. More selling pressure. 250 drop on the Dow right now. Down 250 on the Dow Jones. We're down 25 on S&P. Down 73 on NASDAQ. We have 7 minutes left to go at the moment. 102.26 on GameStop. Can't seem to mount any kind of a bid because everything around it is going red. We're now red on ATIP. We're red on ME, Matterport, SoFi, Rocket Lab, and we're down 227 on the Dow. And we're at 102.25 on GameStop. Okay. What a crazy day, says Zed. Indeed it was. It's been a crazy week or two, hasn't it? It's just volatile, up and down, crazy action. 102.12 on GameStop. More stock coming in. It's coming down a little further. Still holding a 233 gain, stubbornly in the green. But for how long? 102.19. Will it be able to hold that for the last 6 minutes? Everyone else has gone red around it. Uncle Bruce, are we going to see the same after-hours price action on Tesla today, similar to Microsoft last night? Show a meh report in the early press release, but on the call, Elon says guidance for us, Tesla, to the moon. I don't know, my friend. You'll find out soon enough. Tesla has behaved rather well all day today. The stock has not done too badly. It is now up 14.49 at 9.32. And for the first 5 hours, it went from like 950 range all the way up to like 987 range. Then the Powell thing happened and it just took a dump down to 906. Now it's back to 938. So Tesla has done okay for itself. I have Goldman up 120 right now, Apple up 22, Microsoft up $8.17, IBM down $1.49, Home Depot down $2. We got the Dow down 111 points with a computer buy program coming in with 5 minutes to go. A serious buy program. We're down only 81 on the Dow now. 81 points is the down dip on the Dow. NASDAQ is green by 10. S&P is only down 3.5. Huge buy program came in all of a sudden with 4 minutes to go. Will it hold? That is the question. We're now down 113 on the Dow. GameStop 102.85. It did touch 103. We're down 113 on the Dow. We're still down now a point on S&P, and we're up 7 points on NASDAQ. We're up 11 on NASDAQ. We're down 160 on the Dow now. There's our sell program kicking in. We're down 160 on the Dow. We're going to see if S&P can hold. It's down 2.4. NASDAQ is up 6. Tons of crazy volatility. Congress has nothing to investigate here. This is completely normal trading. This is completely legit. No innocent investors are getting waylaid here with all these computer programs. Nothing to look at. But we should look into that GameStop trading. Whenever it goes up in price, we should investigate that. Where's that kid from Romania? Let's get him in here, see what's going on here. Kent, I have learned so much. I wrote a 106 this morning on GameStop. I didn't freak out when it went up. Just bought it back for a $220 profit. Thank you. Way to go, Kent. Nicely done. Good job. Let's see. Good for you, Kent, says Sell My House. Yep, this is what it is done. How it is done. Making money. That's what we're trying to do right here. GameStop, 102.47, holding that level. We've got 3 minutes to go. The Dow is now down 212. Gone back down again. We are now on the S&P down 14. We're down 28 NASDAQ. Got green. Now in the red. Computer programs, there's nothing wrong with that. It's completely normal trading. Everything is fine. There's nothing to investigate here, Congress. There's nothing to come and see. 102.50 on GameStop. 102.39 on GameStop. Lots and lots of fun here on this market. Wow, this is crazy. 189 drop on the Dow right at the moment. I was in a meeting for the last hour. Dare I ask what Powell said? Asks Larry Titus. Nothing. Nothing happened, Larry. It's been a quiet time here. There's just nothing going on whatsoever. It's just a boring, boring day here, Larry. You've missed absolutely nothing. Just get ready to hit the bells, and we'll get this boring day out of the way. Down 147 on the Dow now. GameStop 102.80, up $3. My goodness. What a run we've had here. All over the place. Down 160 on the Dow. We got 2 minutes to go. Larry's getting ready to hit the button. Hit the bells. Oh my gosh. There you go. Move along, Tiger. Nothing to see here. Larry, how dare you? Laughing out loud. Let's go. With AMC dropping, the covered calls are looking pretty good. Next week's calls are over $1 a share. DQ, Larry, he said nothing new. That then wouldn't commit on doing anything. We'll have to see what's going on here. We're now down 171 on the Dow. We're at 102.67 on GameStop. We're down 3 cents on Rocket Lab, down 20 cents on SoFi, down 83 on Matterport. We're up 8 on ME. Spire's unchanged. ATIP is up 4. SmartRent is up 40. Cyxtera up 36 cents. Down 151 on the Dow, 102.62 on GameStop. 1 minute left to go, and we are coming in to the end of the day here. Down 131 on the Dow Jones Index. What crazy volatility. 102.94 on GameStop as the last minute is going through here. 200 more Matterport at 951. Let's go. Nice. Anyway, here you have it. Here we go. We're finishing it off right here. Any minute now, any moment now, we are going to be done. GameStop 103.23. The Dow down 102. And we'll see what we end up with as it all shuts down. 102.90, 102.62 GameStop. The Dow down 109. And looking for Larry doing his last minute stretching right now. Just about ready to hit it. 103.04 on GameStop, down 120 on the Dow Jones markets right now. Man, there it is, Larry. Thanks, Larry, for those bells. Another crazy ending to the day. The Dow down 130 or so. We're still getting final adjustments. Rocket Lab down a penny. SoFi down 18. GameStop 103.48. Matterport down 83. ME up a penny. Yikes. I don't even care anymore, says BZ. I don't care. God have mercy on my soul, says Coyote. 103.48 on GameStop. What a day on the GameStop today. High of 119, low of 100. Remember I told you there was nothing going on? It was 100 to 105. That was the bid. That was the high range and low range of GameStop. 100 to 105. Nothing going on. Yeah, it kind of changed, didn't it? It kind of changed. There you go. Down 130 on the Dow. And 103.48 on GameStop is the last quote I'm showing on the exchange. I'm showing it now 103.70 in the aftermarket, up 23 cents. And the Dow looks like it's closing off 130. Looks like S&P down 667, and the Nasdaq gained 2.8 points after it's all said and done. And we were way up today, way up at an earlier point today. Bruce, I missed today's afternoon show. Could you repeat everything you just said? Help me out here, buddy. Be a pal. Oh yeah, such fun. GameStop 104.98 up $1.50 in the aftermarket right now. That's what we got going here. Oh man, Rocket Lab unchanged in the aftermarket, nothing yet. SoFi 12.58, no change in the aftermarket. Matterport 9.59 up 3 cents in the aftermarket. It was down 83 today. ME 441, no change on ME in the aftermarket. Spire 226 up 3 cents in the aftermarket. It was up 2 cents during the day. ATIP, no trading yet on the aftermarket. Smart Rent 742 up 4 cents after gaining 37 today. Sixtera 1156 unchanged on the aftermarket, gained 37 cents today. Not bad. Today was a day. Today was a day for fans of wooden roller coasters. There you go. I thought I knew fear before today. I was wrong. Well, now you're not as fearful tomorrow because you've seen it all. You're just getting more used to this craziness. Crazy times. Crazy times. I went to the doctor's appointment green. I came out red, says JW. 104.40 on GameStop, up 93 cents in the aftermarket. The Dow still showing 129 point loss as the final adjustments are going through. BW says, BZ, I know your pain. When I only looked at my portfolio 3-4 times a year, it was always, oh, I'm up nice, or man, must be a bad month, but always trended up. This stuff is way more emotional. But that is the key. Keep the emotion out of it. Don't worry. These cheap shares will change our worlds. It will happen. Exactly right. Kent, a kid is playing golf with baseball player Todd Zeal today. Pretty cool. Kid is -2 through 16. I'm going to go meet him on the range in a few. Catch you tonight. Thank you so much for everything, B. You got it, Kent. See you at 8 o'clock Eastern time on Prime Time with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members. I'll see all of you guys there, hopefully. DQ anti-VIX did it backwards. It started with a drop, then climbed a hill at the end. Coyote, the GameStop chart today is literally a 1-to-1 mapping of my heart rate. Oh, my. 104.66, up 82 cents on GameStop. And, the good news is when GameStop goes up, your shares go up. That means you guys get richer. Sure, your calls go up against you, but not as much as the shares are going up. And you get to score the time value no matter what. And you can always do rollovers if you have to. So it's no big deal. You want the stock to go up. That's what you need. I'd rather play this GameStop game between 200 and 250 a share than 80 and 110 a share if you want my opinion. It's a lot more fun for you that way. Let's see. I guess I shouldn't buy back these 101 GameStops that expire on Friday. We'll wait for tomorrow. See what it does tomorrow. I think you could well be sitting on worthless calls. If the shares are whatever you wrote them for. I don't know what you wrote those for, but if you wrote them for $5 and the stock tomorrow is 101, they're worth nothing except time value. You might get them back for $2. Anyway, there you go. Amazing how I can ignore my retirement account ups and downs, but I'm stressing about a $1 swing in a covered call. Yeah. Isn't that funny? You'll get used to it. Not to worry. It'll all become second nature. GameStop now 103.03 on the aftermarket. Just dropped about $1. It's funny how it goes. It's a wacky market. Yep. Let's go. Buying Spire still a good idea? I think so. I wrote 95s at the close yesterday. Sad panda, right meow. BW says, BZ, yep, but that was more for the others that watch. I'm not a sage by any means, but this will turn. We made it past March 2020 to be here. The nonsense will end and continue up regularly. There you go. Got to have that long-term view, and it'll all work out. Anyway, there you have it, kids. What a fun day today. Back to 104.50 on GameStop, up $1.03 right now in the aftermarket. We're going to hear from Tesla here in the not too distant future. They will release their revenue numbers here in the aftermarket. The stock is 907, down $29 right now. Not sure if Tesla said anything. I can't say they have. There could be just rampant speculation perhaps going on. I don't know. GameStop 103.51 right now. Tesla 912 on the aftermarket, down $25 at the moment. They will report after the bell, waiting to see what they have to say. Joe's saying it's down for now. The Tesla's down for the moment. $892 now I'm showing, down $45 on Tesla. Obama Babe says Intel released numbers. Their numbers beat estimates. So that's good for Intel. 888 on Tesla, down $48. Intel is doing what? It closed at 51.69. It's 50.19, down a buck and a half, even though they beat their number. Tesla is getting hit here at now back to 900. It was in the 800 somethings. And let's go here. Let me see if I can go over there. And GameStop 103.50. Okay. There's that. There's this. There's that. There's other things. There's all kinds of other stuff. And oh my gosh, what isn't happening? What is happening? It's all over the place. 910 on Tesla now. 896 on Tesla now. You tell me what's going on. It is jumping everywhere here. Let's go to the watch list here for Tesla. Right now, Tesla after hours down 39.39 at 898, 894 now, down $42. It's on 1.3 million shares. 908.95 now on Tesla. 906.43 on Tesla. 900 on Tesla. Seems like $5 jumps between the last trades. So much going on. And let's see here. Still have nothing on Tesla yet. No official news anywhere. 984, 987, 988 on Tesla, down $39 a share at the moment, from what I can see here. Let's see. See if I can get anything over here. Tesla earnings are out. Here are the numbers, it says. They're about to come out. Waiting to see what is going on. What is going on Tesla? Let's see here. There we are there. And there we go there. See if we get anything on Tesla.
Into December. Lizanne, I'm interested if you sense your clients changing sentiment
CNBC.
significantly over the course of...
Nothing there. Waiting for the numbers. CNBC. Nothing there. Waiting for the numbers. Don't mind me. That's my commentary over there. I'll just mute myself over there. Okay, here we go. We got numbers coming out. Okay, hang on. Let me go back to there. Alrighty, here we go. Tesla fourth quarter revenue 17.7 billion. 254 earnings per share. We're at 884 on the stock. The estimate was 238. Revenue was higher versus 16.5 billion, now 17.7. After hour drop on Tesla, still 889 last trade on Tesla. And we're waiting for the numbers to be released here. The revenues are up 65% year on year. They delivered 936,000 vehicles, 87% more than last year. And we're waiting for updates. So that is the story there on CNBC. Stock 885, 887 now is where we're showing it. 890, down $47. Lots of speculation on what it's going to do and how it's going to do it. Okay, there we go. Thank you, everybody. 894 fourth quarter net, 232 a share, right there. 890 a share, down $47 at the moment. Still showing 888 on the market for Tesla right at the moment. GameStop 102, by the way, down $1.35 in the aftermarket. Tesla beats on earnings and revenue. Stock's down though. I don't know why it's down, but stock's down. Okay. Okay. No idea. No idea. Back to the quote, 898 to 899 looks like the Tesla quote right now. 898 to 899 is where it is trading at. Okay. 901, still down $36. 888 to 901 is where it's jumping around between. GameStop 102.75 down 72 cents right now at the moment on the aftermarket. All righty. Lots to follow, lots to watch. Never a dull moment, kids. Never a dull moment. Fantastic stuff. Thank you, everybody, for watching here today, being with me today. This is great. It's great to have you. Thank you, those of you who are subscribing to this channel. Thank you to those of you who are chilling with Uncle Bruce members and Gold Bagel members. Gold Bagel members. Thank you for you guys as well. We have 238 thumbs ups going on this show. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. 385 of you still hanging out with us right now. Let's see. None of this market makes sense. Tesla beats. Stock goes down aftermarket. Don't know why. $900 a share now, down 36. These can turn pretty quick at any time. You just never know. 102.75 on GameStop, down 72 cents. You never know where and when these stocks do their thing. Hang on a second. Let me do this over here. Aftermarket right now, just to give you an idea what I see. Rocket Lab is down 12 cents. SoFi down 14. GameStop down 73 to 102.75. We're down 4 on Matterport. We're up a penny on 23andMe. We're up 3 cents on Spire. Nothing on ATIP. We're up 4 on Smart Rent, unchanged on Sextera. We're down 69 cents on Apple. They report tomorrow. Goldman down 56 cents. Cisco down 33. And Tesla down 39 to 898. That is where we are at right here, right now. Almost forgot. Cindy, I'm 242 thumbs up for you, Bruce. Thank you so much, Cindy. 246 are now here. 246 thumbs ups. Everybody, thank you for finding the time to hit that thumbs up button for me. Do appreciate it. The Tesla now is at 903, it would appear. We seem to be at 903 a share right now, and down $34 at this point from what we can see. Mixed aftermarket quotes, I'm going to say, is what I see going through right now. Cindy says, I had good timing today on Goldman Sachs, GameStop, and Microsoft. Unusual for me. I bought 1 share of Tesla after hours for $8.97. Right on. Dr. Daddy, I'm number 246 for you, Bruce. Thank you, man. Thank you. Cindy B, good for you. Well done, says Bama Babe. Bama Babe, beautifully done. We got the Tesla at $898.50 right now. Cisco down 4 cents. Goldman down 56 cents. Apple down 3 cents. We're talking quiet. We're talking really quiet. Rocket Lab just went green in the aftermarket, 852. We're down 12 on SoFi. We're down 9 on GameStop. 90 on GameStop. We're down 4 on Matterport at the moment. Okay, there you go, kids. And that it is. Oh, I'm number 256. Thank you, Zeta State. Thank you, 256. We have 259 thumbs ups now. Everyone out there, thank you guys so much for throwing those thumbs ups our way. We are appreciative of all of that. The Tesla closed at 937 today. They're 901 now, 901.82, and the company is making more money. They're making more money. Well, there you go. Go figure how this is going to go. It is what it is. The market is what it is right now. 901, 902 on Tesla. Well, there it is. I think I'm going to pack this one in. Guys, thank you for joining me on a wild and wacky ride today. Those of you who have reached out to me to join Jennifer and I for our class on Saturday, I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for responding to our invites. If you want to join our class, send me an email right here at this. Send me an email to this address right here, brucewarren@hotmail.com. Say, Bruce, I'd like to join your class. Please send me your registration form. We'll send it out to you, and you can just take care of that, and you're good to go. We'll send you a link to the show, the class, about 15 minutes before we start, and away we go. Look forward to having you pop in and see us and learn all about writing poor man covered calls and trying to quit your day job at the same time. It can be done. It could be. It should be done. There you go. Thank you, everybody. I was number 2 for thumbs, but I didn't say anything because that was like 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, and I was a bit distraught. It's all good, Gody. It's all good. BW Bruce, thanks. Next, RB item, a bobblehead of you holding a golden bagel with a shirt that says "I believe you. I just don't trust you." That's the next, the red bubble item you should do. Showing Tesla now at 920. 920 on Tesla. 922 now, down only $17. It looks like Tesla is coming back again right now. So these aftermarket quotes, you never know about some of these wild and wacky swings. It is kind of goofy from time to time. Right now, 919 on Tesla, down $18 a share. Okay. Have a great night, everybody. Get some rest. Stay healthy for me. We'll see you tonight at 8 o'clock. I'm going to load up the 8 o'clock show now. You'll get an alert shortly that we're on tonight. Prime time with Uncle Bruce. Make sure to join me if you can. And then I'll see you tomorrow morning. You Gold Bagel members will do the alert before the show starts tomorrow to give you a heads up of what you should be looking out for. And then at 8:30, everybody join me. And away we go to try to make some more money. Hopefully a bunch of you will join the folks over here, or I guess over here, who've had some scores today. Maybe you can join the crowd and get richer too. Thanks, everybody. JW, thank you. See you tonight, Zed Estate. You got it. I'm going to load up the show right after I get off of this camera, and we will get you loaded up for tonight's 8 o'clock prime show with Uncle Bruce. Look forward to seeing you. We'll answer whatever questions you have. Okay, guys. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.